Welcome to Taemaster.my. This video will guide you through the championship registration process. It's easy, efficient, and ensures you're ready to compete. To participate in the championship, players must first complete their personal registration form. Once that's done, the team manager can register them for the event. Step 1. Begin by filling out the personal registration form. Navigate to Player Registration Form on the event page and click Register Now. Fill in the required details carefully. Ensure all information is accurate, as mistakes can delay your registration. Once completed, you'll see a confirmation message. Congratulations, you've finished your personal registration. Step 2. The team manager now registers the player for the event. Navigate to the Team Registration Form on event page and click Register Now. The team manager must complete the team information, personal details, and coach details. If necessary, the team manager can click the Add button to include additional coaches for the team. For the athlete list section, the team manager only needs to enter the player's IC number to retrieve their details. However, this is limited to players who have already completed their personal details. Team managers can then choose the event categories for each player. After completing the athlete list, be sure to double-check all the details on the summary section. If all the information is accurate, remember to tick the confirmation box and provide your signature. Finally, in the payment section, enter the number of participants for each event. The system will automatically calculate the total. Make the payment to the organizer's bank account and upload the payment slip. Congratulations! Your registration is now complete. Prepare for an exciting championship experience. As a warm reminder, while filling out the form, you can save your progress as a draft and pause at any point. You will receive an email allowing you to resume from where you left off.
For more information, visit Taemaster.my. Good luck, and we'll see you at the championship.